Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video is about sequence formula in Excel. It is a dynamic array function that generates a list of sequential numbers, and this will be very useful for financial modeling, especially when you are building time-based projections. Sequence. First one is how many rows you want or columns, then start, then step. How much should be increased or decreased? For example, I want 5 rows and there is no need of columns, just simply ignore it. You can put 1, then starting any amount or whatever you want, you can put it. For example, 500, and every month it should be increased by 25. Okay, every month there should be increase of 25 rupees. The same way we can able to create for month also. For example, we want consect date, use EDATE, then date. We want 2024 March, /31st. Then sequence should be, we want 9 months, only one column. Starting should be same, 0, 3 months gap, make it date. So every month, quarterly it will display. If you want only monthly, every month, simply you can able to change it. This is 1 year interest. We can able to create compound interest for 10 years. Simply put sequence 10 years, 1 1 1 bracket close, enter. So first year 54, like that we can able to create for formula. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.